How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to do a belly fat and a love handle workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be single leg toe tap leg raises. So I'll show you guys how to do this. It's kind of an exercise I kind of made up. It's a variation of the leg raise, so I can't take credit for all of it. But again, I've never seen anyone on the internet ever do this. So, I mean, I think I am the first. Even if I'm not, whatever, I really don't care. But this exercise is good. We'll do 10 reps, we'll do 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. Quite a bit of volume, but hey, we're trying to get rid of belly fat. We're trying to get rid of those love handles. So to do this, all we're going to do, I'll show you guys what I mean. This is a toe tap. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. That's all we're doing. You can do a little more reps if you want to. You can do 20. This is my 15th video of the day. So I've probably done about 1,200, 1,300 repetitions today. My abs are freaking on fire. This is my third ab workout because, again, belly fat, love handles, that is an ab workout. So yeah, my abs are on fire. That's why we're doing 10 reps. If you want, you can do 20. No worries. But yeah, 15th video of the day. I'm feeling super good. Got a lot of videos done. The reason why I was able to get all these videos done was because I am done doing my schooling course. I've quit, not doing it anymore. Screw that course. I have another 5 months to go and I'm completely failing it, like not even close to passing, like not even close. Like it passes 85 and they want you to get 90 to 95 to be successful in the job. I'm getting anywhere from 38% to 70%. So I'm not even close, like not even. And the 70% I rarely get. It's generally 38, 56, 40%. So it's not really close at all. But I've tried for 7 months. I've done it for 7 months. I started hating it after about the second or third month. So I've been pushing on for 4 to 5 months already and still 4 to 5 months of failing. Haven't really got better or anything. That is okay. I wanted to try this out. I thought about it for a long time. It's not something that I just dove into. Before I took the course, I thought about doing it for probably 6 months. I dove into it and then I did it for 7 months and I can't do it anymore. Like I'm just completely burnt out from doing it on the weekends. Like I generally spend about 8 hours on Saturday and Sunday doing the course. And they want you to do 3 hours a day of that freaking course, which I am unable to do for the fact that YouTube and my job come first. Because that's what really makes me a ton of money is my job in YouTube. And that course right now isn't doing anything. So I really can't afford to do 3 hours every single day. So what I do is I cram it on the weekend. I do 8 hours. And I even thought about this, at the start I was doing 3 hours per day. And it still got me nowhere. Got me absolutely nowhere. So I just started doing 8 hours on the weekend, probably like month 3 or 4 into doing it. And I was already screwed by then. I mean, I was already failing by then. So I started doing it on the weekend just so I'd have more time during the week to actually get stuff done. So we'll do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, I am looking into other jobs. That job, I just couldn't do that job as a career anyways, just because they expect. So here's the thing, you need an 85% to pass the course. They want you to get anywhere from 90 to 95%. When you look for a job, your employer for the medical transcriptionist, they want you to maintain 99 to 100% accuracy. Like what in the, like that's insane. That's impossible. Like I don't know how anyone does that. Like you would be stressed out all day, like just thinking about making a mistake. Like, and I make lots. I've done a 6-minute transcription before, and a 99% accuracy for a 6-minute transcription would be anywhere from 6 to 10 questions, or 6 to 10 wrong. During that 6-minute transcription, I got 500 wrong. So yeah, I got like a 25% on that. So yeah, that's not good, you guys. And if you're wondering how the hell do you get 500 wrong, just from missing words, not properly punctuating, the wrong jargon, like the medical jargon, and I mean they can get you wrong on so many different stuff, like so many different things. And I couldn't understand the dictator, so a lot of it was me just leaving blanks and just skipping over the text because I could not hear it. So that's another thing. You gotta, I don't know how people do this, but you have to be able to hear people that cannot talk English at all. So I mean, I can't do that. My hearing isn't the best. Actually, my hearing is good. I got a hearing test done. I have 100% hearing. My hearing is perfect, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Another 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But yeah, I'm not really too concerned about it, just because, again, I would not, even if I passed the course, I wouldn't do it as a career. It's just something that I feel I could not do. At the time when I started to take the course, I thought I would do it. What really got me motivated to do it was just the fact that what I did is I went on the internet before thinking about this course, before even knowing about this course, and I just typed in jobs, working jobs from home, jobs that you can do at home. And medical transcription popped up on there. So I did some research into it, and it was actually a legit course that you can take at colleges, and there were legit jobs that you can do. So that's kind of why I did it. I thought about it for 5-6 months, did some research. I'm like, hell yeah, I'm gonna do this. What a huge mistake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look more into jobs at home, because that's what I wanna do. I want to work from home. That's like my biggest thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, working from home. What I liked about the medical transcription was working from home, creating your own hours, typing, and doing medical stuff, because medical does have to do with the body. And I'm a personal trainer, and I was intrigued to do stuff about the body. Needless to say, the typing I do not like, and I would never do another job that has anything to do with typing ever. Just for the simple fact, I typed for probably 4 hours straight. I could not feel my fingers afterwards. My fingers were like numb, like they were hurting so bad. So I could not imagine typing for 8 to 10 hours a day, and then on top of that doing that 5 times a week. Like, no freaking way. Like, your hands after like 5 years would have carpal tunnel up the butt. Like, it'd be insane. So I mean, no idea how people type for that long. And again, your whole job is typing. I mean, that's how you make your money, is from typing. So, I mean, you have no choice. You have to type. So, again, I'm sure over time your body would adapt a little bit. But, again, I don't know. But, yeah, you guys, I am thinking about doing a couple of jobs. One was working for a hotel. I looked into it. You can work from home, so that'd be pretty sweet. It pays pretty decent, more than minimum wage, like $5 or $6 more than minimum wage. And another job was like a call center job, so doing stuff like that. That pays an extra from above minimum wage, $5 or $6. So it's not like I'm doing like a high paying job, but with my other incomes, then I can do it, because again, I'm making a shitload from my other incomes. So I don't really need a super high paying job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Killing it, you guys. So that was the workout. 100 total repetitions. These single toe tap leg raises, I love doing them. I love doing them. You feel it in your abs. If you're not feeling it in your abs, then increase the repetitions a little bit. You can do 20, 25, 30 reps. And yeah, just keep practicing, and you will get rid of your belly fat and your love handles. So that's the main thing. Main thing though is tracking your calories. If you have a calorie goal and you hit that goal day in and day out for like 21 days, which is 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, you're gonna drop a ton of weight. Trust me on that. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.